Washoe County corruption. Continued public testimony by a man, Jeffrey Merritt Wilson, for the exhibits 1 through 33 criminal claims. This testimony is Exhibit 5. Official oath, Miriam Canderas, Chief Deputy District Attorney of Washoe County. Exhibit 5. Referral criminal claims against Robert Arthur Naring, Natalie Ann Naring et al. Copyright copy claim. This product works. Contract notice claims by the Jeffrey Merritt Wilson author. Page 16 of 47. Okay, this is an email that was from Mr. Belfort, and it was sent to Claims NIC First American Title. Jonathan Belfort, 300 Colorado Springs Road, Reno, Nevada, 89510, policy 5011400-1683667E. Please consider this communication a formal claim of First American Title Policy number 5011400-1683667E. In March of 2017, I purchased my property located at 300 Colorado Springs Road, Reno, Nevada, 89510. During escrow, I was presented with several documents indicating there was a property owners association in charge of road maintenance that I was required to pay, no matter what claims I may have against the association. I agreed to this in writing. I received little to no honest services, with the roads being in deplorable condition. In 2018, there was an incident where a bulldozer was run through my property without my knowledge or permission. I successfully sued Wilcox Ranch POA and was awarded damages. At that point, I began looking into the association financials. It was then that I realized that there was a 75 to 90% overbilling, no invoices, evidence of intentional devaluing others' property, large amount of misappropriation and embezzlement, a majority of checks being written to Robert Naring, President, and Natalie Naring, Secretary Treasurer, husband and wife. This is reported to Washoe County Sheriff's Office. Upon further research, I discovered that the necessary extension documents were not filed at the time of purchase, even though representation were made that they were. It also appears that after I threatened suit over the bulldozer damage, they hastily somehow found it necessary votes to file a statement of perpetuity. Then he even claimed I voted for it, which he has a deposition that he did not, to attain the required 56 votes, which I absolutely did not and would not. However, I believe that there was not a good faith effort made to verify legitimacy of Wilcox Ranch POA. The extending paper was filed in fraud. Robert and Natalie Naring illegally operated the POA, fraudulently filed corporate documents with the Secretary of State, and embezzled substantial amounts of money from the POA accounts without any invoices or accounting. Which brings us to the current status. Robert and Natalie Naring have now claimed through their attorney, Patrick Ramey Millsap, that Wilcox Ranch POA has been defunct, not existed since 2001 due to CCRs expiring, and then they did not have to pay their dues, assess late fees, lien properties, and forced to sell on the courthouse steps. I might add that they ran the association almost 15 years, collected dues. I am on a rural property with dirt roads, unable to access my property, live in fear that police, fire, or emergency medical will not be able to reach me in the event of emergency. This is a long way from the representations made to me when I purchased my property. I feel as though I have been defrauded by the former officers of Wilcox Ranch POA. I am asking for policy limit of $75,000. Jonathan Belfort. Now this is on his title insurance. Okay, that policy limit 75 apparently. And here's the response from First American Title, and basically, without going through all of it, this letter is informing the First American Title Insurance Company has reviewed the documents submitted with the above reference claim as discussed below. The company has determined that coverage is not afforded this claim. See, this is standard with these title companies. They make you pay all the insurance. He and I were defrauded by our title insurance companies. We pay them money. This thing was there was fraud going on from day one, ab initio. Okay, these titles up there are all defective, including his and mine and everybody else. There's 80 some odd property owners that have been defrauded by this association, and Washoe County is involved in it. They're taxing us, and we're not getting honest services. So this goes through all the stuff on the letter here. Okay, as an initial matter, of title insurance policy only insures title of the property, not condition use of the property, as title insurance policies relate to title defects affecting legally recognized ownership of land rather than defects in the physical condition. Well, this is twisted attorney talk here, okay? These titles are fraud. He did not get his title, okay? The titles are defective. So this First American is full of shit. But they do this every time. They did it to me too, Chicago title. Okay. And, you know, as said in the 2009 term, even conceding the declaration may have expired, article bylaws and recorded maps confirm the POA could grade and maintain the roadway, which confirms the easement exists regardless of the status of the declaration. Okay. You know, this needs to go to federal court. Okay. This is what's going to happen after we get done testifying all these documents. Based on the foregoing, the company respectfully denies the claim. Okay, time for the lawsuit. Sincerely, Adam Singham, Associate Claims Counter, an attorney. Of course, the title companies never want to pay. Okay, this is my testimony and belief information. Exhibit 5, criminal claims. Stand by for Exhibit 6.